Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to explore the best techniques for mowing your grass to ensure a healthy, vibrant lawn. Let's dive in. Adjust your mower to the appropriate height based on your grass type. Cool season grasses like Kentucky bluegrass thrive at 2.5 to 4 inches, while warm season varieties like Bermuda grass prefer 1 to 2 inches. Remember not to cut more than 1/3 of the grass blade length at once. Regularly sharpen your mower blades to ensure a clean cut. Dull blades can tear grass, leading to jagged edges and potential disease. Maintain sharp blades for a healthy lawn. Always mow when the grass is dry to prevent clumping and ensure an even cut. Wet grass can spread disease and create an uneven appearance. Wait until your lawn is dry for optimal results. Vary your mowing pattern with each session to avoid soil compaction and encourage upright growth. Changing directions prevents ruts and promotes a healthier lawn. Consider using a mulching mower to finely chop grass clippings and return nutrients to your lawn. Mulching reduces the need for additional fertilizers and promotes a greener, more sustainable lawn. Mow your lawn regularly, especially during the growing season. Aim for once a week, adjusting as needed based on grass growth. Regular mowing keeps your lawn looking tidy and healthy. Don't forget to edge and trim your lawn for a polished finish. Clearing edges prevents grass from encroaching on walkways and flower beds, enhancing the overall appearance of your lawn. Regular maintenance of your lawnmower is essential for optimal performance. Schedule oil changes, air filter replacements, and blade sharpening to ensure a clean, efficient cut every time. Follow these tips for a lush, healthy lawn. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more lawn care tips.